It happens every day. You book a rental car, swipe your card, sign on the dotted line, and drive away thinking you're fully protected. But hidden inside that stack of paperwork is a quiet trap. One that charges you for insurance you probably already own. Welcome to the rental car insurance trap and how you're being double charged without even realizing it. By the end of this video, you'll see how a simple $29 protection plan generates millions in silent profits for the industry. At every rental counter, the pitch sounds friendly and responsible. Would you like to add our full coverage for peace of mind? It feels like the smart choice. Who wants to risk a $40,000 car? But here's the truth. Most drivers already have rental coverage built right into their personal auto insurance or their credit card benefits. The rental companies know this. They just count on you not knowing it. Their agents are often incentivized with bonuses for every single protection plan they sell. That's why the script is always the same. Fear first, facts later. Here's how the double charge scheme works. Your personal auto policy likely includes rental coverage up to your existing limits. On top of that, your credit card probably offers a collision damage waiver, or CDW, as long as you use that card to pay for the rental. But the rental company pushes its own duplicate CDW, a second layer of insurance that mirrors what you already have. So you end up paying twice for the exact same protection. Across the U.S. alone, this upsell adds over $1.4 billion a year in extra revenue to rental companies. And because it's technically optional, regulators consider it legal. So how do you protect yourself? First, before you travel, call your auto insurance agent and ask, "Does my policy cover rental cars?" Second, check your credit card benefits. Most Visa, MasterCard, and American Express cards include rental car collision coverage, but only if you decline the rental company's insurance at the counter. In fact, if you buy their plan, you often void your credit card's free benefit, effectively replacing a free service with a paid one. When you get to the counter, be prepared. They'll use pressure tactics, mentioning things like loss of use fees or expensive scratch repairs. Just remember, your own policies likely cover those scenarios. Politely but firmly decline all add-ons. If they insist, you can even write "declined by choice" next to each charge on the contract before you sign. Next time someone at the rental counter asks if you want to add protection, you can look them in the eye and say, "I'm already covered." Knowledge is your best protection plan.